Hello and welcome to the presentation on enhancing immune function. Obviously, immune function is important for fighting off infections, including coronavirus, influenza, the common cold, but also preventing cancer. Our immune system kind of wears those two main hats amongst some other functions. I usually start with diet, and vitamin B6 is paramount for healthy immune function. Vitamin B6 is also known as pyridoxine, and in the spirit of consuming a whole food, plant-forward diet, try to get your vitamin B6 from foods like brewer's yeast, whole grains, legumes, etc. We have seen studies in support of Wakame, which is a seaweed that can be made into seaweed snacks. You can find at the food co-op or Whole Foods or other grocery stores. And it has specifically been shown to quadruple the replication potential of T cells. T cells are important in fighting viruses like herpes, and more recently, we have evidence that T cell response is highly important for fighting off coronavirus infections. Boost your immune function with probiotics. We're in a little bit of the infancy of knowing exactly how to prescribe probiotics, but on the other hand, they're really safe. I don't personally know of any patients who have harmed themselves with probiotics. So there are dietary sources, including yogurt, pickles, sauerkraut, etc. And I've given you some guidance on some brands that I feel have a good reputation, including Garden of Life, Align, Culturelle, etc. Fiber is really important for a healthy immune system. Part of the reason for this is that it is the favorite food of the 100 trillion bacteria that populate your colon. The bacteria in your colon are known as probiotics. We all know that. But less well known is that probiotics produce substances that can be beneficial for our immune system. These are called postbiotics. So if you want to produce a lot of healthy postbiotics, feed your probiotics the prebiotic fiber. Vitamin C is important. A lot of patients take high-dose vitamin C during the winter to ward off colds and flus. I recommend a vitamin C-rich diet. Garlic has been shown to enhance immune function. Some patients actually swallow whole cloves of garlic. I tried this and it about destroyed my stomach, so I'm not sure I recommend that, but certainly include it in your cooking. Daily exercise is important for immune function. It's been shown in many studies. As has adequate sleep. Some of these sleep researchers would promote the idea that sleep might be the most important thing for a healthy immune system. Adequate sleep is defined as no less than 7 hours of sleep at night. Regardless of how you feel, this is the target to shoot for. Astragalus has been shown for centuries, really, to help with immune function. It has a long history of use in Chinese medicine, and I've given you some guidance there in the paragraph on what to look for on the shelf. This concludes the immune function presentation. I hope it was helpful and empowering and gave you some good ideas for how to have a healthy immune system. If you have questions, feel free to message me through the portal or set up an office visit or even a visit over telemedicine. And good luck.